this is the lineup for the Aquas phones that you need to get if you are to choose a phone. So remember to order on WhatsApp. I'll be there waiting. KT Gadgets, remember to give me a like, subscribe, follow. I'll be reviewing gadgets only. I review gadgets that you can use and use in your daily life and are affordable. Alright? Peace out. Yes, let us start with the Aquas R6. You can see it. Yeah, this is the Aquas R6. It has got a Leica camera. Yeah, and I'll be showing you shortly its storage and its properties. It's a very nice phone. It's waterproof. As you can see, it has a very sleek design. 128 GB in storage. Yeah, it is running on Android 13. It is a single SIM card, 128 GB single SIM card. It has a very wonderful display, a very nice touch. You can feel it, you can enjoy it. Yeah, I think it is one of the phones that you can get. Yeah, if you want it, you can order it on WhatsApp and you can let me know. It can be delivered to you anywhere in Uganda. The Aquas 06. This is the 06, you can see it. It's a very nice, sleek and portable phone. Okay, very nice, a very beautiful phone, and it carries 128 GB in storage, 6 GB RAM. It's a very nice phone. Aquas 06. Okay, and it's price friendly. It goes for around 400,000 Ugandan shillings. Very cheap. It can be delivered to you any place. You have it in very different colors. It has a fingerprint in the screen, which is also good, and I will be showing you it. I will be showing you the other features. You can see it's a very nice, sleek phone, very slim. You can fit in your palm. Compared to the R6, this is a little bit smaller and this is a little bit bigger. You can see if you compare it to the R6, this is bigger. It carries a 128 GB storage. This is 128 GB storage. Yeah, from 128 GB storage, let's look at its security features. It has a fingerprint and then it has a Face ID also, and it has 2 SIM cards. The R6 has 1 SIM card. This 06 has 2 SIM cards. So anyone who wants 2 SIM cards, 128 GB storage and then 6 GB RAM, waterproof, this is your option. 400,000, we can deliver around Kampala, and it is on Android 12. Okay, it is on Android 12. It has a very nice design. You can see. Yeah. If you have 300,000, I'll give you the Sense 6. It's called the Sense 6. It's a very nice phone, also very slim, just a little bit smaller than the 06. Carries 64 GB in storage and 4 GB RAM, but it's a very nice phone and very small. If your budget is tight and you don't have a lot of money but you want something waterproof, something good, this is your phone that you should buy. You just have to order right here on the screen, so you can order yourself for this one. Yes, let's look at its security features. Yeah, it has also a Face ID and it has a fingerprint in the screen. Okay, this is a very good feature. You have a Face ID and then you have a fingerprint in the screen. Okay, it has no fingerprint sensor outside, but in the screen, you just touch in the screen and you unlock your phone. And it comes at 300,000 only. 300,000. Okay, let's look at the storage. The storage is 64 GB. As you can see, it is 64 GB storage. Alright, very nice. It has a 2 SIM card slot. You have 2 SIM cards. You can use it for 2 SIM cards. That is the best thing with these Aquas phones. Okay, you have 2 SIM cards, good storage, 4G speed when it comes to the internet, very fast. The battery is a little bit like the docomo, so I would kindly go for this because it's even more smaller and more sleek in design, and it has a very beautiful camera. So if you want this is a phone that you can get. So anyone who is budget tight, this is a phone that you can get. KT Gadgets, remember to give me your order. Yes, I can get them on WhatsApp and deliver around Kampala. Okay, lastly, yes, this is the Aqua Sense 5. It's a 5G. Okay, it is very nice, also very sleek and very portable in design, and it goes for 250,000. Okay, very cheap. If you want a good waterproof Japanese phone. This is a very good phone for you. You can place your orders on WhatsApp. I will leave also my number here, but the number is already in the description. You can make your order on WhatsApp straight, and it has very nice features. It has 64 GB of storage. It carries Android 11 and one SIM card, okay? But it's a 5G phone, so it is pretty good. It has very nice performance. Let's look at it. It comes with a fingerprint also. It comes with a fingerprint. It comes with a face recognition, so it has a face ID and a fingerprint. This is the good thing with all docomo phones and all Apas phones. They come with fingerprint and face ID. Alright, so you can use any feature that you want. And it has a very nice camera. Very nice. You can see very nice camera. So you can get this phone, and at 250 you can order it on WhatsApp. You can see it is smaller. This is smaller than this. Okay, if you put them here, this is a little bit taller. So this is like 5, this is like 6 inches. But the 06 and then the Sense 6, the 06 still carries a bigger screen. You can see it carries a very bigger screen. But the 06 and the R6 are in the same range. They have the same size and they have the same screen size. So they have like 6 inches, so which is nice. If you want a bigger screen, you better go for this. Alright? If you want smaller phones, good performance, Sense 6, this is Sense 5. If you want smaller phones that are budget friendly, these are the phones for you. This is the lineup for the Apas phones that you need to get if you were to choose a phone. So remember to order on WhatsApp. I'll be there waiting. Ciao. KT Gadgets, remember to give me a like, subscribe, follow. I'll be reviewing gadgets only. I review gadgets that you can use and use in your daily life and are affordable. Alright? Peace out.